be lying if we said that we aren't tired of untangling our earphones day in and day out. But not all of us have the lavish jobs to afford an AirPods Pro or a Samsung Galaxy Bud. Quite disheartening, I know. And buying extremely cheap Chinese brands with no guarantee, no trust, and no quality isn't our cup of tea either. Aman Gupta and Sameer Mehta identified this market gap for quality, affordable wireless earphones and founded Boat in 2016. But how exactly did this company become the market leader with 35.8% market share in just a period of 5 years with already established companies like JBL, Mivi and Skullcandy? Boat kicked off things by introducing the first ever product with anti-destruction properties. And as surprising as it may sound, it was an Apple charger cable. This was done at a time when Apple cables were damaged for not such an apparent reason. But anyway, coming back to the original question, what made Boat earn 35.8% market share in this industry? Well, the answer lies in their brilliant market positioning. Boat showcased itself as a lifestyle brand instead of showcasing itself as an audibles or a merely electronics brand. But how did they exactly accomplish this? Well, for starters, they took on board the likes of Kiara Advani, Kartik Aaryan and Hardik Pandya. And we all know the fandom that surrounds cricket and Bollywood in India. These celebrities created an aspirational value in buying Boat earphones, and subconsciously people started buying them. But the smart work of Aman, Sameer and the team got coupled with a pinch of luck. In 2016, Apple launched its first AirPods, and suddenly there was a fascination towards owning a wireless earphones. But not everyone could afford what Apple had launched. That's where Boat came in and found its perfect product market fit. To further help their case, some phone manufacturers also stopped shipping earphones with their phones. This again helped Boat make some additional money and defeat its competitors like Mivi, Skullcandy and Noise in the affordable and economical segment. Boat has been a customer-focused company and always tried to connect with its customers. So much so that it has named its users Boat Heads. It claims to add one Boat Head to its family every 3 minutes. And if this list includes names like Kartik Aaryan, KL Rahul and Neha Kakkad, count me in. Often called the Zara of earphones brands, Boat's products are neither as expensive as the premium brands nor as cheap as the Chinese brands. In fact, in a recent announcement, Boat had mentioned that it would be shifting its manufacturing from China to reduce foreign dependency. We all know who's proud of Boat now. To make sure people continue to remember Boat as a lifestyle brand instead of just an audibles and electronics brand, it collaborated with Masaba Gupta during the Lakme Fashion Week in 2019. The founders wanted to create a lifestyle brand which would bring fashionable accessories and audio products that could attract millennials. And I guess it did the trick for them. The company is looking to go public with a valuation of $2 billion, a 7 times jump from the previous valuation. Too big a jump, right? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.